Hi, Sarita. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good, Sarita. Tell about you.
I'm also good. So before we start, can you please tell me something about yourself?
Yeah, sure. So, as you know, my name is Rajiv Kumar, and I stay in Noida because basically I belong to Bihar, Purnia district. But in Noida, I am doing a job in one of the MNC company as facility and admin department. So I am part of that department and working as an executive. So, so about English, I just got to know about your channel last week. Since that, I really like your conversation, and a part of that, your initiative which you have initiated for helping for the new learners, new strangers like that. That is really helpful for all that. So I thought that I should also connect with you for the same thing.
Yes, yes, that's very nice
So
of
now,
you.
yeah, carry on.
Yeah, it's very nice of you that you have also approached me. Actually, this is a two-way process. If you are learning something, so I'm also learning something from the conversation. And as if you have watched my videos, then you must have seen the progression in me. That before I used to be not so much confident while speaking in English, but nowadays, yeah, I feel a bit confident while speaking to the people. So this is only because of the practice I do with the different people, actually.
Right, right. As that's the way you have initiated. I really like that. Even I have been working in corporate culture since last 6 7 years, but I could not focus on the English part because in my department there is no much requirement. But yes, in another way I understand that is the very much required. So in last 1 week, I even last month 1 month, I have noted down that on 3rd June I have promised with myself that I have to work on my English
Okay.
even on a regular basis. So since that I feel some improvement rather than earlier. That's why. So now I want also to be a good a speaker like you and like more than you.
Yes, yes, you must be. So as you mentioned that from 3rd of June you started your spoken English journey. So what all activities you are doing to enhance your communication skills?
So I have been working since then in 3 4 activity daily. Since you would be knowing, I think, about the application as Fluence. As Fluence is the application wherein people can connect with the stranger co-learners
Okay.
with their according to their level. So there that is partially free application. 25 minutes can speak free of cost in that application. A part of that, there has some subscription plan when people can connect and get the unlimited calling with the co-learners with their
Okay.
stranger.
So this is a
So
audio visual app or this is only audio app?
that is only audio application,
Mhm.
and apart of that there has some recorded class that is paid services, that is for the paid services.
Mhm.
But I have been doing that exercise daily. Apart of that, I have started to note down one event daily, like if I go office or somewhere, if even a small incident, even a small event, I note down in a 15 20 sentence in my
Okay.
notebook, and then the same content I practice in front of mirror at least 2 times in a day, same content. And
Wow.
whenever I stuck somewhere, I try to get try to get the meaning from Google or somewhere else. The third, I also watch the video that is motivational video and social video, that is Nijo Johnson. He is also my favorite YouTuber or whatever you can say. That is up to 10 minutes video, but I watch daily one video because just for the keep or maintain the motivation. That is, and apart of that, if I get some time, then I watch the English news just for 15 20 minutes. these 4 exercises I have been doing since then, but I see some huge improvement about me,
Yes, yes, yes.
even
You are
about
speaking well.
confidence as well.
You are speaking very well.
Yeah.
So, okay, nowadays you have started your office. You are working from home, or you have started going physically in the office?
No, I have to go physically office. Even I stay here alone. Now my family is at my hometown only. But I try to find out the 2 hours daily. I do even 2 hours daily on the those 4 activities which I just mentioned here. In office I have to go physical daily.
Okay, okay. So what was your experience in lockdown? Like working, you prefer working from home, or you prefer going to office and then do your work? What's your preference?
Yeah, yeah, that is very interesting point you have asked. So I prefer working from home. Even our company has given some opportunity to do work from home during the lockdown, main lockdown. I
Yes.
think that was around 1 month period. But now I have to go office. Even my colleague, everyone has to go office in my department. So I prefer work from home. Even I have initiated my journey to get some the similar activity. I mean, to get some work from home. So I, lots of things has nowadays that can be done from work from home only. So, mine, I am just preparing my communication to just to keep in view that I can be selected in BPO International Call Center. So
Okay.
in that actually now I don't want to do job, but yes, I want to be ready in case I require. Then I can join so that I could be a good speaker in English.
Okay, okay. So have you worked ever in any BPO?
No,
Domestic
I
or
haven't.
okay.
No, I could not get chance to do work in another BPO
Okay.
because I would not prefer a domestic video. Whenever in case in future I'll get chance, I'll join only BPO international only,
Yes.
not domestic, because I have selected my language, preferred language, and that is English. I'll try to enhance what is required for that sector, and then in case I'll be able to get that preparation, then I'll try to move.
Yes.
That is my
Actually, I have heard from my friends that in international BPOs they give training as well on your spoken part.
right, right on.
They make you understand about the accent, about the vocabulary, and the pronunciation part as well. So the people who are working
Right,
in BPO, they are very good in English. They joined
right,
BPO as a like intermediate, but after their 6 month, if we analyze them, they become very good English speaker. And that is only
right.
because of
Because
the
entire
training
day they
they are
have to.
given.
Right.
Yes.
Right, because entirely they have to speak in English with the different people, different strangers with different. They got different structure,
Right.
different accent from them, and that's why
Yes.
that become very helpful
For them.
for them
Yes,
in
yes,
BPO.
yes. Yes, actually, training plays a very important role. But I have heard that for at
Right,
least for 7 days, they people are trained hard on their accent, their vocabulary, and from time to time as well, they are given training from the people from outside, so that they
okay,
can yes, so that
that
yes,
yeah,
yes, in every
that is
3 or 4 months, they get training from the
yeah.
international speakers.
Yeah, I got to know the new things from you that 7 days training or time to time training is given in
Yes,
BPO sector
yes,
basically.
international
That is,
BPOs, international BPOs.
yeah, actually, yeah, I'm talking about international
Yes,
only.
one of my friend used to work in the international BPO. So from her only, I get to know all these things about their training and everything. And she's a very good speaker. She used to be an intermediate in the beginning, but when she joined that BPO, she worked there almost for 1.5 year. And after 1.5 year, she is a very amazing speaker nowadays. And she always, yes, she always tell all of her friends that okay, at least once in our career, in the starting actually, we should work in the international BPOs if we really want to work on our English.
Okay, right.
Yes,
That's
yes,
great.
yes.
So, so what is your view to come at this platform? Only enhance your improvement, only enhance your communication skills, or anything else? You want to be a worker like freelancer, or you want to be a pure YouTuber, or you want to be you want to see your career, your future at this platform? What you want? If you are comfort, if you comfort, please
Yes, yes, yes,
share.
yes, yes. Actually, my motive here is just to work on my communication, because I want to make my career in corporate, and I want to work in a good MNC. So for, as you mentioned, that for working in a good MNC, you have to have very good communication skills. Only then you can be given a chance to work over there. So this was the only reason. So I was like sitting, what we say that. We were sitting at home in the lockdown, so I thought that okay, I should work on my English communication, so that I started. And now as I am working, so I'm very much clear that I have to work in the corporate. I want to go at a very reputed position in the corporate. So this is the only reason that I'm working on my communication skills, nothing else. And putting my videos on the YouTube, the motto behind is because I got inspired by watching these communication videos only. So I thought that okay, if I can get inspired by watching anyone's video, that if I'll also post my videos, then people watch them and people will also be inspired by watching these videos. So this was the only reason that I also started posting videos. And now I love this work, because people appreciate me, and
Right.
they tell me that okay, by watching your videos we are getting inspired. So nowadays I have
Right.
started enjoying this journey as well.
Right. So this is the helpful for both way. I mean, viewer and creator. Both
True.
it is helpful for both. But I see when you would have observed or noticed that lots of people has prepared his career at this platform. So why you don't think like that? I mean, career perspective. Why you not see in that view? If you are appreciating, if you are motivating from the comment or compliment from the viewer, and I think you should also think about that. Um,
It's a very nice suggestion from your side, but I'm very much clear in my mind that I have to work in a corporate world. So yes,
okay.
I will carry on this journey as well, but the priority would always be working in the corporate.
Yeah. Later on, if you get chance, then you may be a fully part of this platform. Later on, I'm talking.
Yes, if it works for me, then it's okay. But this is always be secondary. It will not be a primary thing
Yeah.
for me. Yes, the preference will
Yeah.
always be
Sometimes.
working in the corporate.
Yeah. Right. Sometimes secondary become primary. No?
Primary. Yes, yes, yes.
Like
Actually,
like
we always have two plans, plan A, plan B. So
as
you
a
never
backup
know.
or a standby.
True.
Right. Right.
You are
Right.
very much right. You are very much right. So
Okay. So
you are,
one,
yes, please.
you can carry on. I'll speak later.
Yeah.
You
So
were
I
saying something.
was, yes, I was saying that you are speaking so well. So like whenever we start anything, there is something which always kick us that okay, this is the time that I should start something. So what was that kick for you, that you prepared yourself for learning spoken English?
Can you summarize in a sentence? I could not understand proper.
Okay, I am saying
I
that whenever we start something, there is a motto behind it. There is your motto is very much clear, but there is something which motivate us that okay, I will also do that. I'm trying to explain it. I'm not, I think, getting proper lines for explaining it. Like when one day I got a call from call center, so I was not able to communicate with that person in English. So that day I realized that,
Right.
okay, I should start speaking in English. I should learn speak English. So what was your moment?
Right.
So I want to ask.
Yes, right. My moment was, as I earlier told you, that I am part of corporate culture. I am working in corporate culture since last 6-7 years.
Yes.
But never, I could not, I could never be serious about this language. Though in another, and I understand, even I used to understand that it is very important, but I could not focus ever. But now, because of pandemic, entire country is struggling about the unemployment, about all the things. Major is unemployment. So then I thought that in case I have to leave the job from there, then I'll not be able to get some another way at the same standard, same level. That's why I thought that I should prepare, and I should be a good presenter and good communicator, so that in case I miss the job, I lost the job here and I have to leave the job from here, because I told you that my native place is Bihar, Pune district, so that I can be maintain that standard level what I am doing now. In another way, I thought that there has 2-3 scopes. If I be a good speaker, like you can teach learning, you can have the coaching center of especially in English. If you be a good speaker, or you can be a good teacher,
Yes.
even that can be done at your native place. And that is the thought that I had initiated. And the second thing I also had, I thought that if you gain your language, if you improve your language, like 2, 3, 4, 5, your brain will gain accordingly. Your mind will be
Act according.
grow up that according to the language learning. That's why I have thought, especially.
Yes, yes.
So
And
that,
one more thing, like I have analyzed nowadays, that it reflects in our personality as well.
right, that is also
Yes, it's not only
definitely
like that we are just it's working on the English communication only. It's not like that. Whenever we speak to any other people in our local language, or we do work in our corporate culture, so that confidence is reflecting in our work as well. Because here we
right,
are interacting with different people. The confidence is at another level, which I have noticed.
another level. Yeah,
Yes.
that is really true. Even even I, before you, I could not connect with any YouTuber for such types of conversation. You are the first person that I have interacted you, and even I have to approached you 3-4 times, I think.
Yes.
So I also feel happy to meet you at this platform. But also I would like to say that or request that we maintain that, and I'll also to prefer to connect on weekly or nightly basis.
Yeah, sure, sure. Actually, as
The
I have started a job as well, so it becomes little bit difficult for me to communicate people on the random basis or its daily basis. But yeah, I try my level best, that I try to communicate with as much people as I can.
Yeah, so related of this thing, related of this thing, related of this thing, I just I wanted that I'll say you when you will connect with me, that you are, as you are, I mean, you are trying to improve your communication, and you are also helping to others. So so in that way, I just would like to say you that some you should also prepare some co-learners or some people who especially wants to speak English,
Mhm.
and create a series of, like, vocabulary or any pronunciation or whatever, I think you are doing 3-4 words. You are preparing video for 3-4 words and you upload that is very short, but as we are talking about each other, you can prefer to person to make some preparation, like 10 words you have selected,
Okay.
and 10 difficult word you have selected, which can be defined, and which then you can say to the person that just you prepare that thing and we will discuss about that particular words
Right.
during the conversation. And
Okay.
you can I think I could not explain you better that way.
I
You can
understand.
summarize it.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
That one video daily can help to the people that can help to grow your channel. That's why I told you can start your series by especially vocabulary series. Let's say if normally or usually people think about the daily routine, or say something about yourself during their work, during their interview. So from that type of topic, we can select the particular words, 10-15 words, and can be defined in during the conversation, so that people can inspire and get help.
Yes,
That
very, very
was
nice and amazing idea. Thank you so much, Rajiv. This will really help me and the other people as well who will watch the videos. So from next time onwards, I'll try to find out these words and then I'll definitely talk on those words. It's really very, very nice idea.
especially I would say in this should be in series, like lesson 1, that is the topic, and that is the word. Let's see, and it's a daily routine. There would be 15 or 20 words or 10 words, and that is their definition. That should be captured in one video, and for some particular people, so that if you say to someone, and he can also prepare, he can also do the homework for that particular subject. You can also do the homework for that particular subject and then come in front of the
Yes, then
people
we can
who
discuss it.
in front
Yes,
of the people.
right. Very,
Yeah,
very nice
that is.
idea. It's very appreciable.
Thank you.
Yes, yes, yes. So anything else
So, do you
you wanna ask, or we should
have
call it for
limited
the day?
time, as
Yes,
you
yes,
told me?
yes.
Yeah, do you have limited time, as you told that it's I can give you 15 minutes? That's
Yes,
I'm asking you.
exactly. Yes, yes. Actually, I have another appointment as well.
Yeah, that's fine. We can switch,
Yes, we
finish the call for
yes, yes, we can connect any other day. It's very nice talking to you. Thank you so much. And you have given such a great suggestion. I'll definitely work out on that. So thank you so much, Raji.
Yeah, thank you so much to you as well, because as you told initially that it's a two-way exercise. It will really true, and I hope that we will connect again
Yes,
whenever you
we
visit.
will. We will. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.